Come to the main question number 6. Draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all of its medians and altitude. Write your observation about their points of concurrence. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two side of a triangles are equal. So here first of all we will draw the isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides only equal. Then in isosceles triangle we want to draw the medians and altitude. So first of all I will draw the base. So base I will take 6 centimeter. You people will also take a 6 centimeter as a base. 6 centimeter. I will draw the 6 centimeter with the help of scale as a base. Draw an isosceles triangle. Nothing name is there. So I will give a name. BC is a base of a triangle. Now that means two side equal. So another side I will take a 8 centimeter. Take a measurement of 8 centimeter in your rounder. And one time take a 8 centimeter properly. This is the method to take a 8 centimeter. One time put on C and make one arc. Another time put on B and cut this arc. You people will get a one point. Now with the help of this point, join point B and point C. So this is our isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Now you have drawn the isosceles triangle ABC. 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Now you people know this is a 8 centimeter. AC is a 8 centimeter. So median means half. So AC is half is 4. So take a 4 centimeter measurement on side AC. Take up 4 centimeter measurement on side AC. So this is also 8 centimeter. So for a median, you people will take 4 centimeter side because half of 8 is 4. Here also and here also. Now this is 6 centimeter. You people know this is 6 centimeter. Now 6 centimeter half is what? 3 centimeter. This is 8. So I'll take 4 here, 4 here. Now both the side I will take 4 centimeter marking. This is 6 centimeter. So I will take 3 centimeter marking. 3 centimeter marking here. So with the help of this marking we will draw the median. Now student, in previous question we have used the protector also, and first of all we will draw the bisector, then draw the median, but that triangle was different. This is isosceles triangle, and isosceles triangle is very much easy for a construction. So for a median if you want to draw a median in isosceles triangle, so you will take the proper half centimeter and draw with scale also only. So I have taken a marking and joined this marking with each point C and from C and from B. So this is a median. These three median I have drawn in a isosceles triangle. Give name P, Q, R. Now this is a point of concurrence, and median's point of concurrence is called centroid. Now draw the altitude. Set a set square on point A. So altitude is same as median, so no need to draw the altitude of from point A. Now put on point C. You can get a different line, so draw it. If you can get a different line, draw it. Give as A. Now put on B. Put on B. Again you can get a different, so you can draw a one line perpendicular on side AC. Give as B. So here you can get one point of concurrence, and here also you can get one point of concurrence. Now point of concurrence of a median is called centroid, and centroid is always denoted by G. So this is G. Now point of concurrence of altitude now is called orthocenter, and it is denoted by O. So G and O, that means orthocenter and centroid. You can get a one perpendicular AP. So here observation about their points of concurrence. You will write the observation also. So what you have observed, you can get a orthocenter G and or sorry you can get a or centroid G and orthocenter O. So the G and orthocenter O, first of all labeling the diagram, this is centroid and this is orthocenter. G denotes centroid and O denotes orthocenter. And orthocenter lies on perpendicular, same perpendicular, lies on perpendicular bisector. Both the points G and O lies a same perpendicular bisector AP. So I will write the observation. This is the observation of the construction. Hope you people can understood the construction of question 6. You can get a G orthocentroid and O orthocenter on a same perpendicular bisector BC. So this is your observation and this is your construction.